Hello students, now we shall look at the effective interest rate. So as you know, these banks, non-banking finance corporations and private people, they lend money. Okay, so money lending is done, but the interest rate calculation is different. Like some people give interest rate on a daily interest rate. Some people give money on a weekly interest rate, especially the short-term loans and all, hand loans and all. And these banks and all, they give on a quarterly basis, semi-annually basis, or annual basis. So now, what is the formula to calculate the effective interest rate? The formula is very simple. I, that is interest, EF, double F is effective rate, is equal to 1 plus I divided by M raised to M, and this is minus 1, where I is the nominal interest rate in the equation and M is the number of interest periods in a year. So I effective interest effective is equal to 1 plus I raised to I divided by M raised to M minus 1. This is the simple formula. Now we will see the one problem, like determine the effective interest rate for a nominal rate of 8% that is compounded. Now if there is a 8% interest, okay, simple interest only, but the interest calculation is whether daily, monthly, quarterly, semi-annually and annually. I'll tell you very simple. Again I have written the you can see I effective is equal to 1 plus I by M raised to M minus 1. If you calculate at 8% interest rate, so now let us take this first formula at 8% interest rate. So I 1 plus I, okay, I is 8% here, means 0.08 divided by this M is the number of interest period. Now we are calculating daily. M means daily, 365 days are there in a year. So again raised to 365 minus 1. If you calculate this, the effective interest rate you will get as 0.0832. Means it is 8.32%. Okay. Similarly, if it is now calculated for monthly, so in 1 year there are 12 months. So M is equal to 12 now, number of interest periods in a year. So the equation becomes 1 plus I, that is 0.08 divided by 12 whole raised to 12 minus 1. And if you calculate this, it becomes 0.0829, that is 8.29%. Similarly for quarterly, semi-annually, now you can see I have written here in the left side. Daily, if I calculate the interest rate on a daily basis, it becomes 8.32%. If I calculate the monthly interest rates, then it becomes 8.29. If I calculate quarterly, it becomes 8.24. If I calculate for 6 months semi-annually, that is 8.16. And if I calculate for annually, it becomes 8%. Now this is the solution. You can see it is solved. Now you can see that if you calculate for annually, it is 8%, semi-annually 8.16, quarterly 8.24, monthly 8.29 and daily 8.32. So it is always good if it is the interest is calculated for an annual from a borrower perspective. If we are a borrower, then it is better that we take loans on annual calculation basis, so that the interest rate is 8% only. But if I take that hand loans and all short-term loans on a daily basis, then it becomes the daily 8% only, but calculated daily it becomes 8.32%. Okay, so it is always better that you take the loan on if the interest is calculated annually or semi-annually, but not on monthly or daily basis. Okay, thank you.